All right, we're back out on the tarmac with the Seeker magnetic sweeper. So this is the Seeker Air Mag. This is our sand colored unit. So like I said, we got 3 colors available. We got the sand colors you see here. We got the green one, and we have the international orange, which we didn't bring with us. So this is our triple setup, and I showed the brackets in the other video there. So right now we're using this thing as basically an apron sweeper. So we're out in front of the maintenance shop. We already went through the runway and everything with the green one. We went through the taxiway and the runway, picked up a lot of items you don't really want to see falling off planes. Well, not really, most of it was snow bristles, but there were a couple screws and washers and stuff, but most of them were from around here. I heard them click on as soon as we came by. So as I was riding in the truck there, I could hear them clicking onto the magnet. And because this is the maintenance area. This is where they work on vehicles, so this is where you're going to get a bunch of debris coming off from working. That's just how it goes. You start working on stuff goes missing. So this thing is the premier Blue Streak Equipment Airport FOD control magnet. It's got the onboard buckets to collect debris. If you really want to, you could use each bucket for a different section, like go sweep a section, clean it off, dump that in a bucket and keep track of where you collect all the debris. So that you can see from which buckets have the most debris in them after you sweep all of the different sections of the airport, where the biggest debris problem is. So this thing's, like I said, it's got the 10.5-inch pickup height. We got it set at 3 inches. It works great just for cruising around. You can tow it up to, we've had it up to 35 kilometers an hour, I believe, and it tows perfectly. That triple setup is built really well. It's got like 5 points of contact between each magnet. So you don't have to worry about too much sway. It works nice like that. It does sway a bit at certain speeds, but it's okay. You see, this airport's a working airport. So when you go out on these runways, you need something that's going to be able to go fast and quick. And that's what this magnet's built for. It's got the big 12-inch by 3-inch magnet in it. Lots of surface area to pick up and hold debris on, and a lot of pickup power thanks to the alternating pole assembly. So that means one magnet's north facing down, one south facing down, just the way it's charged. Just creates a stronger magnetic field in that little 3-inch area, well, 10.5-inch area really. And there's a bunch of overlap between the magnets, so in this entire 15-foot sweeping width, there's no sections where you're going to be losing material just because of where you're driving. It's got the full range, 15 feet of pickup power. And at the speeds you can tow this thing, that's lots for clearing big areas quickly. When you got a giant tarmac place like this, you want to be able to cover the ground quickly, and no one wants to see any metal on the runway. From flat tires to blown jet engines, it's not a good thing. No one likes it. Look at that thing. Beauty plane in the background. So yeah, London International Airport's been very helpful with this thing. They've been giving us a lot of design inputs. We give them an idea, they tell if it's useless or if it's good. Just telling us what features they need, what they're looking for. And that goes a long way when you actually ask your customers what they want rather than just try to guess. That's big for creating something that's useful. So yeah, we're just sweeping this runway. Or sorry, this apron, right outside the maintenance shop. We got all the choppers in the background. There's planes still taking off back there. Saw a couple fighter jets that people are training in today. This thing looks right at home where it is. Now, I don't know which color you'd personally pick, but I like cleans off easily with those big hoops in the back. All you gotta do is push those hoops down. It'll clean everything off the magnet. And then you just roll forward, use the included power stick. So you buy one of these, you get a power stick. You buy a triple setup, you get 3 power sticks. You only really need 1 for cleanup, but we'll give you 3. You can use them in the shop if you want. So yeah, put that, deposit all of your collected material from the bins, or from the power stick into the onboard buckets. Comes with 2 5-gallon pails on each one, which is plenty of space for picking up for the debris you should be picking up at an airport, unless you got a really dirty airport. But these guys initially came to us, I believe last winter, and they had some problems with the bristles all over the runway, so we came down, saw what was going on, and we've been working with them ever since just to kind of create better solutions for these situations. But yeah, this is a nice machine. It works well. It's the top of the line FOD control magnet for any airport, civilian or military. If you want a premier magnetic sweeper that's going to be stronger than anything else on the market, have more convenient features, easier height adjustment, easier clean off, better towing, comes with lights, comes with fenders, comes with pintle rings. Nice unit. This is the best one on the market. So this is the first stage of our Seeker FOD management system. There's going to be a few other ones coming out in the near future, but this is the first one because you might as well lead with a magnet, collect all the metal that's on the ground that you can get, and then do the rest of the FOD control from there, because why waste the extra space on your other FOD management components when you get the magnet? Magnet gets all the ferrous stuff, and then all the other FOD control pieces can get the rest.